Hello guys, welcome to Softwork guys. Today I will show you how to get color code from any image using Photoshop. Suppose I want to get a color this image. This is my typing speed project image. You can see this project in my playlist. I want to get the color of in my this project. So I want to get the color because when I press start it's labeled text background is white. I want to the background light green background like this. So click here and get the color with the eyedrop. Go to solid color. You can see here his color code. So Control C, copy this, and here is print hash, and after Control V you can see when I press start its text background perfectly match with the image window background. So many times we want to get the color code of our root window. It's not a white, not proper gray, so we can print screen method button use, and after new page and uh, Control V in, and you can see here the color code. I have created another program. So this is a calculator program. You can see when my cursor move on any button, it's highlight. The button's color is root window background, and I use in this uh, some dark of this background color. So how to get some dark of color? So print screen button, press and new window, Control N, and eyedrop, get the color. It's also root color, so get the color here and go to solid color. You can see here is our color selection, and I need some dark, so click below of the color selection. Otherwise you can only web color use some dark get the dark to dark value, and I use here, so here, and okay, get the Control C, and here is Control V. So this is also match with this color, some dark color, and this color. The difference, some difference, few difference between 8 and 7 color. I get all the color using this method. So if you like this video, you can check out my all programs and like this video and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.